Learn English. Welcome to English 8K. We learn 2 words every day and write them on paper flashcards. Today is Thursday, March 13th. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, breakfast, dinner, and correct. Number 2 is to open the door. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Bob eats lunch every day. Bob eats lunch every day. Lunch. He eats food in the middle of the day. What about you? Do you eat lunch every day? Now we can make a flashcard for lunch. Please write lunch up here in the top left corner. Lunch. Down here, N1 regular. N1 means noun, level 1. Over here, the number 95 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lunch. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. Opening. I am opening the door because I want to enter the room. Now we can make a card for opening. Please write the basic form up here in the top left corner. To open something. Usually a door, a window, or on your birthday, you open a present. Down here in this corner, V1, A1. V1 we are learning now. Verb, level 1. And over here the number 42 out of 82. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Open. Open. Game over. You did really well today. Every day, Jennifer eats lunch. Very good. This is a meal. And I will open the door. Very good. Later, I will close the door. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. We have the beginning of the movie, the middle of the movie, and the ending. Very good. This is a noun. And number 2, when you get power from the sun, solar power. Very good. And number 3 is when someone is talking and someone else talks at the same time. To interrupt. Very nice. That's not polite. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. 25 classes per month. Please write your language on the other side of the card. You can join anytime.